I think one of the main things that stops people from waking up to all this hoaxy crap is just the embarrassment factor, just the ego factor, the shame of having been punked by this kind of shit. Just look at it. The shame. There is a certain element of shame when someone points out to you that all this donkey fucking cock, this just dog's dick of a just joke of a fucking piece of footage with this, what is this shit that's spewing out the ground, this supposed white hot molten rock, even though rock doesn't melt and it's basically all organic matter, so it would burn if you got it hot enough. But you know, they just show us so much of this stuff, and they showed it to us when we were kids and we bought into it. And I guess there's a sense of, some people feel this sense of shame at the fact that they've been punked about all of this stuff. And so that holds a lot of people back from being able to accept that they've been punked, I think. And I think it's really sad. And I think, you know, if you're someone who believes in, you know, say, volcanoes, then just, you know, just consider the fact that there's no shame in, there's not really any shame in having been punked by people who were so dedicated and so well resourced to be able to hoax stuff of this, you know, on this scale. No one could have seen that coming, you know, necessarily. So I just think, you know, forget about feeling bad that you got played for a twat. We all got punked about various things to different extents. You know, we all believed in this bollocks stuff. You know, we all believed in, maybe, you know, some people believed in the sphere to a certain extent, or, you know, everyone's been punked. Let's face it, and it's painful. It's painful to the ego to wake up and have to acknowledge it, and no more so than for someone like me, who actually went and trained as a fucking scientist as well. You know, so I studied this stuff in quite a lot of depth, and you know, and so it's even more humiliating if you spent more time going deeper into the subject, and then, you know, you didn't figure out that it was absolute bollocks until a bit later on. Well, you know, give yourself a break. You know, you didn't know, none of us knew that there were such fucking twats in this world that would actually go to the lengths of punking us over this stuff. So I think we just, you know, instead of feeling shame about being punked, just look at it like, well, you're just maybe a good person who wanted to ascribe reasonably good intentions to the people who were teaching us stuff, and you wanted to believe that people were generally honest and generally well-intentioned when actually they were complete cunts. But maybe it's just a reflection of the fact that you are well-intentioned and honest, and you expected the same from your teachers and from the news media and all the culture and so on, and it wasn't too much to expect. It's just that they are absolute fucking twats off the scale. So don't give yourself a hard time, I say. Once you see it's hoaxed, you can't unsee it. It just all looks like the fucking cheapo dog's dick that it is, basically. And you can't really believe in it again. So just go easy on yourself. Well, you've seen it now. Alright, I'm going to leave you with some twats just doing some more ridiculous stunts and stupid footage. And I just encourage you, if you do continue to believe in lava and volcanoes, please just don't comment. Just move on to the next video, and, you know, enjoy your life believing this is the real world. That's fine. That's fine. I just don't trouble you with it anymore because it's boring. You know, all the comments, nobody ever comments to actually debunk anything that I'm saying. They just comment to insult me, tell me I'm mad or a twat or stupid or whatever. But just don't bother. Just believe what you want. You know, look at this. Look at the evidence here.
Oh my God.
Decide if you think it's, you know, consistent with the reality that you experience day to day. Decide who you trust.
Lava begins to
provide you
bubble
with
over the rim of the lake.
And you know, and just If you don't like my material, just go on your way. Alright. Anyway, I'm done with this volcano shit.
The lake is becoming more active. Lava surges over the edge.
Look at that.
I'm gonna do it.
Well, it's all bollocks, isn't it? Guinness. That's what the men would say, isn't it? It's all bollocks. Ranker's language.